to our first week here, Module 1 or Week 1 of our class, Intro to Life Science, SCI1015. My name is Sarah Gonzalez, and I'll be the instructor for the course over the next few weeks here, or at least 7 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and share screen so that you can see what I am talking about here. So let's make sure that you can see the screen here. So you should see the Week 1 here, but let's just go through some of the quick things here in case you are new to the university, new to Blackboard, you're just not too familiar with some of the options here. So if you have any questions here, you can click on this tab. Just know that we all can see your questions. So just, if you have a specific question about a grade or anything, you might want to just email me or text me privately. But if you just have a general question, more than welcome to post it here. Here's a quick thing about the syllabus here, so you can download our syllabus, a little bit about me as your instructor here, the course resources as well. So the course syllabus here, you can click on that, and it also has an itemized list, which I'll go over each week, but it has an itemized list of what to expect for what's due each week. This is some information here. So this is due at the end of the semester, but it can't hurt to go ahead and just look at the health claims project here. So Week 1 does have some information about it, but these are some resources that you can use to help with that project. This is a Zoom link, just in case you have any questions. We can use that to schedule like a one-on-one session. So what is due for Week 1? So this is just going to be a general introduction, looking at the chemical basis of life. So each week we kind of build. So next week we're going to look at cells, then we're going to look at enzymes, photosynthesis, and then so forth. So this week, again, we're going to focus really on the scientific method. Very common method. You have a question, you test it, you hypothesize the results. You have data. Of course, I didn't go in order there, but that's okay. But we use scientific method every day without really even realizing it. So this week, you're going to go over the readings. So you're going to focus on Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, specific sections here. So you don't have to read everything, but very specific questions here. There's also some PowerPoint slides and presentation to help you with the information to kind of visualize that as well, so you can have that. There's some videos. I'll post some additional videos as well, but you can use these videos to help, supplement the information here. So a couple assignments to do. So your initial post here, you're going to post a video recording and tell us a little bit about yourself. If you're not comfortable for whatever reason, just email me and let me know. But the university does require at least one video response or an assignment that is video recorded, just because it is an online class. So I thought the initial post would be a great one to do that, so that you can see each other and that kind of thing. So whatever you're comfortable sharing, your degree that you're studying, if you have family or a job, anything that you feel comfortable, personal interests, and then also state what you know about one of the following. So what do you know about carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, or water? After that, you're going to respond not through a video, but by typing. So you're going to respond to 2 of your classmates. You don't have to post a video for it. So your initial video recording about yourself and one of those macronutrients is due by this coming Thursday. Your 2 follow-up responses due by Sunday. You also have an assignment here, and you're going to address these questions here. I'm highlighting them, so hopefully you can see them. They're worth about 30 to 40 points each. You're going to upload a Word document, so please make sure you use Word or PDF. I've had instances with past where other applications are being used. I don't have access to that, so Word or PDF is preferred. So just describe the steps of the scientific method, discuss a time that you have used it, and review the flow chart and compare it with what is in your book. So have that assignment is due by Sunday. You also have a quiz to do. So this is going to be based off the information that you're reading this week. So that quiz is due by Sunday. And also you have the term Week 1 checkpoint. So here's some information about this. So the Week 1 checkpoint here, this is what you're going to be addressing. But please review the health claim project overview. There's a lot of information on this. But basically, you're going to be finding a health claim study. For instance, Cheerios decreases total your blood cholesterol. Or Colgate, for instance, whitens teeth and prevents cavities. There's a lot of information. There's a lot of, for instance, the Ozempic, the peptide, the weight loss is being used for other things as a health claim, you may want to look at that. There's also some studies that's been done on green tea and health benefits, certain diets as well too. So if you need help or if you're kind of stuck, just let me know. But this information here and these places, these links here, as well as the Health Claim Project help, this should be a good way to find a health claim. So basically your checkpoint here, you're going to be addressing these questions here and then submitting that information by Sunday as well. So just to kind of recap, I know it's a lot of information due, but remember, we only have 7 weeks for the course. Your initial post, your recording is due by Thursday. Your 2 follow-up responses due by Sunday. Your assignment on the scientific method also due Sunday. Your week 1 quiz due Sunday. And then your checkpoint, finding that health claim assignment or that health claim topic and addressing these questions also due by Sunday. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you all, reviewing your videos, responding to them this week. And it's going to be a great course, and I'm going to learn a lot about the life sciences.